What's up, Lions? It's your boy Twin Salvador, and in this video my mom's gonna be showing you guys how she made this hairstyle right here. You guys probably seen me with this hairstyle if you follow my Instagram. This is not 2 braids, by the way, this is 4 braids. So it's gonna be 2 going up here and then 2 braids from the back going upwards, and then we're gonna bun them all together. One thing you really need for sure to perform this hairstyle is you need someone that really knows how to braid hair. So good thing my mom knows how to braid hair. So those of you guys that don't know how to braid hair, don't worry. Try asking your sister or your mom or anyone that knows how to braid their hair, and they can help you out with this hairstyle. Send this video to your mom or sister or whoever's braiding your hair so they can see how to make this braid hairstyle for you. So if you guys are willing to follow through this video and you found someone that is willing to braid your hair, ask them if you should wet your hair, because it's a preference to whoever's braiding your hair. My mom prefers me to wet my hair when she braids it. It's easier for her. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wet my hair and we're gonna get started to the video, alright guys? Alright guys, my hair is now wet. We're about to braid in a second, but just before I get into the video, I'm gonna tell you guys some benefits of braiding your hair. So braiding your hair is a protective hairstyle, so when your hair is wet like this, try to add as much product as you can. So me, I added like a curling product, so when I take off my braids, my hair will become more curlier. And I also added a leave-in conditioner so my hair can be hydrated and have all that moisture before I get into the braid. And also, I forgot to mention, you're gonna need 4 small hair ties because we're gonna have 4 braids. 1, 2, and then 3, 4. And you're gonna need, I think, 3 big normal size hair ties, so you're gonna need 3 of these. And yeah, let's get our braids started. Now that my mom successfully parted my hair very straight, she's gonna tie one side so she can work on this side. Hey, I look like Wendy's. Oh no. Alright guys, she's gonna do the first braid. And yeah, I'm just gonna make this a time lapse. Hey, this is the first braid right here, guys. She's gonna do the second braid coming from back here. Alright guys, so she tied these 2 braids together, as you guys can see. So basically what she did so far is she braided this hair, started from my scalp, going here, stopped towards like the middle of my head. Then did another one at the bottom of my neck going upwards so it meets with the end of the one that started from up here. And then from there she tied them together, so these 2 are attached together. And then she's gonna do the other 2 on the other side of my head. She's gonna do the same thing here. So yeah, almost finished. Now she's gonna do the 4th part, guys. It's just a matter of time. Once you get the rhythm, it's pretty simple. Not simple for me because I don't know how to braid. But those of you that do know how to braid, I think it'll be pretty simple. Just do 1, 2, 3, and then 4. That's it. This is how it looks like right now, guys. I know I look weird right now. It looks like a spider, kind of. You know how like spiders have legs?
I like it.
My dog wants to be in the video. Look, Lucy, say hi to the lion army. Right now. Don't lick my face, I don't want acne. Lucy, paw, paw. Hey, paw. Hey, she's doing it for the camera, guys.
Why?
Whoa, she's mad.
What she's doing?
My dog is mad right now. She wants attention. Whoa! Why her barks sound so deep?
Yeah.
Whoa! Don't lick me. Whoa! Is she mad? Alright guys, so now that we have this, we're pretty much done. So what she did 2 here, and then 2 from the neck going up. So yeah, now we're gonna do the final step. I mean, there's many ways you can do it. Maybe you can rock this hairstyle just like this if you wanted to, but me personally, I want this hairstyle where I tie all 4 of them like this. Ooh, you see that? That looks nice. That's good. Thank you. Alright guys, this is how my hair looks like. crazy looking hairstyle. Some people might think it looks weird, but you know what? I don't care. I like being creative. I like being different. So those of you with long hair, hopefully I inspired you guys to try out this unique hairstyle. I don't even know what it's called. It looks funny, but at the same time it looks kind of cool. I don't care if it looks weird. But what if I made this into one braid right here? Like if it was one braid? Nah. Or if you guys want, you guys could combine two of them and then you end up having two braids. You guys can change up your ways of this hairstyle if you guys want. You don't have to do exactly like how I have it. Whoever's braiding your hair, just let them know how you want it. Hopefully you guys know someone that can braid your hair. I really do, because I wish I knew how to braid, guys. I really do, but sadly I don't. And one quick thing before I end this video, the best way to make your braids last long is to use a do-rag. They're not even that expensive. I got this like for $4 and you can get one at Walmart. So before you go to sleep, make sure you wear a do-rag so it can protect your braids for the next day. So if you guys decide to do this hairstyle, let me know down in the comments and send this video to the person that's about to braid your hair. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Lion Army, even though I don't have a lion mane right now. My lion mane is contained. Follow my Instagram if you guys want to connect with me more, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.